Hi everyone! Welcome back to another cooking video. And the recipe that I'll be sharing you today is Coke Liempo. Yes, that's right. So today, you will be able to learn a new pork liempo recipe. This time, we're going to use Coke to add more taste and flavor to it. Are you excited? I'm not gonna keep you waiting. Let's check out the ingredients. Pork liempo or belly, garlic, Atseute Oil, Paprika Powder, Peppercorns, Cornstarch, and Coke. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share. And for the complete recipe details, please check on this video description. And again guys, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure to click that bell so you will get a notification every time we upload a new video. And of course, you can also like and follow us on our Facebook page. We are also on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. And also, if you wanted to check out more recipe ideas, you can also visit our website, www.delishph.com. And just in case you're interested to check out Masflex cookware and kitchenware products, I will put their link on this video description as well. Just letting you know that you can also buy your own Masflex cookware from Shopee. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video. God bless everyone! Bye!
Masflex cookware and kitchenware for the love of cooking. Click the link on the description for more information.